go to Cortex, आज हम करने वाले हैं creating a persistent disk lab. So first, click Start Lab. Next, हम इसे incognito window में open करेंगे. Click I understand. Then click I agree and again continue. यहाँ से हम tutorial को close करेंगे by clicking leave. As tutorial already यहाँ पे है. On to the task 1. हमें ये command run करना है to create a new virtual machine instance named GCE lab. So उसके लिए हम सबसे पहले इधर आएंगे and activate करेंगे Cloud Shell को by clicking on this icon. Then click on continue and click on authorize. नेक्स्ट हमें यहाँ वापस आना है, कमांड को कॉपी करके यहाँ पेस्ट करना है एंड देन हिट एंटर टू रन इट. एंड यहाँ पे एक एरर आ चुका है. सो उसके लिए सबसे पहले हमें रीजन एंड जोन सेट करने होंगे यूजिंग दीज कमांड्स. देन हम एक वेरिएबल क्रिएट करेंगे फॉर द रीजन एंड देन हम जोन क्रिएट करेंगे. उसके बाद हम जाके इस कमांड को रन करेंगे टू रन द इंस्टेंस. सो ऐसा कई बार हो सकता है कि आप डायरेक्ट टास्क 1 पे चले जाएं, लेकिन हमें पीछे एक बार देखना चाहिए कि शायद कोई ऐसे कमांड्स तो नहीं फॉर सेटिंग द रीजन एंड जोन. ओके, it can lead to errors. Let's wait for it to complete. For meanwhile, we will come back here. Then we have to click check my progress to check if it is complete. After this command is completed, click check my progress and it is completed. Now to the task 2, we have to create a persistent disk. So run this command. After this is complete, come back here and click check my progress again. And it is also complete. Now to the task 3, we have to attach our disk using this command. Run it. After this is complete, we will come back here and SSH into the VM using this command. And then we have to do these following steps. So we will come back here and do SSH by using this command in the VM instance that we just created. Enter Y and then enter 2 times, enter and then again enter. After this, the SSH session will start within this terminal, as you can see. Then come back here, enter this command to find the disk device, and the list is here. And next, run this command, create a directory, mount point actually. And after run this command, we will run this one. Then we will run this command to go into nano to edit. And then we have to add this below the line that starts with part U UID. Copy this, use arrows, come down, paste it. Let's check if it matches the photo. It does. Now for saving it, Control O, enter and Control X. Now it is saved. Now click check my progress. And it is completed. Now, congratulations, the lab is complete. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Now you can just end this lab by clicking here.